Since ancient times, indigenous people from Colombian tropical rainforests have used Jagua, or Genipa Americana, as an essential part of their life.
Estamos buscando jagüe para pintar, para arreglar. Eso es el maquillaje de los indígenas, esa es la cultura que tenemos y eso es tradicional, no es comprado, sino eso es de naturaleza.
Thanks to its temporary pigmentation on the skin, Jagua dye is used as a sacred element to make mythical images on the body, as well as for protecting it against the sun, fungi, and insects. The ancient use of Jagua has today attained new industrial applications. Its dye, ranging from blue to black tones, is useful for coloring textiles and foods, painting temporary tattoos, dyeing hair, and for formulating multiple cosmetic products. Ecoflora, a Colombian company specialized in the production and commercialization of natural products and ingredients for different industries, has led a sustainable biotrade initiative through the development of Jagua products and applications. Ecoflora seeks to benefit the most vulnerable communities and to contribute to the responsible use of the country's abundant biodiversity. This firm works closely, transparently, and in agreement with local organizations of Black and indigenous communities in Vigía del Fuerte and Bojayá, which are small towns located in the Colombian rainforest in Chocó. The Chocó region, one of the few biodiversity hotspots in the planet, is located between the Andes and the Pacific Ocean, and it offers the best quality of Jagua that can't be found elsewhere. Its population has been the worst victim of abandonment, extreme poverty, and violence, a situation that is expected to improve with the consolidation of this initiative.
Las comunidades, a través de sus procesos organizativos, han venido clamando durante mucho tiempo por apoyo y recursos para ver cómo esa diversidad biológica se articula a la vida de ellas, ¿cierto? De tal manera que ese bosque realmente genere un beneficio para las comunidades. Eso sí, con mecanismos de aprovechamiento que garanticen la sostenibilidad.
In agreement with local communities, Ecoflora and its partners have established a process for the sustainable management and transformation of Jagua. This program guarantees an equitable sharing of benefits to each of the parties involved in the different phases of the productive chain.
En este momento la Jagua puede ser un recurso muy interesante para darle a conocer al mundo a nivel internacional, para que sea utilizado en distintas aplicaciones.
As part of Jagua's management plan, the program has trained local communities in sustainable harvesting methods with secure and minimum risk techniques. Jagua fruits are found in trees up to 20 meters high in the depths of Chocó's jungle, in areas where access is very difficult and distant by water, land, or air from the closest cities. Therefore, harvesting and transporting of Jagua requires a great effort. In order to implement an ethical and responsible market for Jagua products, Ecoflora acts under transparent principles and criteria, which include, amongst others, the conservation and sustained use of biodiversity, an equitable sharing of the benefits generated, and the respect for traditional knowledge and rights. Due to the excellent reception this criteria has had in the communities and to its certification in good manufacturing practices, Ecoflora has a high credibility at the local, national, and international level. This has allowed Ecoflora to seek and establish alliances with different companies and organizations worldwide that are developing multiple applications and possibilities got from Jagua products.
El proceso de aprovechamiento y comercialización de la Jagua en la zona, además de contribuir a mejorar los ingresos de la familia, contribuye también a generar y fortalecer otra mirada hacia el bosque, no solo como fuente de madera, sino como fuente de otros recursos alternativos que aún no han sido aprovechados.
This kind of initiatives are an opportunity to promote new markets for high value-added natural products, which also serve as strategies for the preservation of biodiversity and traditional knowledge, while being used as sustainable productive activities to improve the quality of life for the local communities. Jagua, therefore, becomes a new raw material with multiple application possibilities for the cosmetic, personal care, food and textile industries, which every day seeks more and more for natural and sustainable alternatives.